So my son, he said, hey, Dad, I got something for you. I said, yeah, what is it? He gave me some flowers. I said, why'd you give me flowers? He said, oh, I was watching this video and this guy said, give the people you love the most their flowers now while they're alive. Don't wait till they pass away. I said, oh, son, you know what? I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And of course, I love you too. Well, he didn't realize that that was a metaphor. It didn't really mean to give the flowers, but that was the greatest, most kindest gesture I have ever had in my life. And it would totally go unmatched for the rest of my life.